Ah, the old-fashioned. The drink that says, I have taste, I have class, and I've probably watched Mad Men at least twice. But here's the kicker. It's called the old-fashioned because it's literally how people made cocktails before cocktails were even called cocktails. This isn't just a drink. This is cocktail DNA. If you're out here shaking it with orange juice and a cherry, we need to talk. Hey there, you beautiful bottle slingers and bar magicians. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a drink so iconic, so historic, it probably has a better credit score than you. The old-fashioned. It's more than just whiskey, sugar, bitters, and ice. It's the cocktail that started it all. If you're a bartender and you don't know how to make this properly, I'm not mad, just deeply, deeply disappointed. Let's go back, way back. We're talking 1806. Thomas Jefferson was president. People bathed twice a month max. And yet, somehow, they still managed to drink better than half the clubs in Vegas today. In a newspaper called The Balance and Columbian Repository, the term cocktail was first defined as a stimulating liquor composed of spirits of any kind, sugar, water, and bitters. That's it. No dry ice, no edible flowers, no smoke guns, just the essentials. Fast forward to the 1860s and people started messing it up, adding fruit, absinthe, creme de something you can't pronounce. And so some purists said, can I just get a cocktail, the old-fashioned way? Boom. The name stuck. A grumpy protest order became the most timeless drink in the world. Let's break down what goes in this masterpiece. If you're still muddling orange slices and neon cherries like it's a TGI Fridays happy hour, this part's for you. The holy trinity of ingredients. Sugar. Start with a sugar cube, or if you're fancy, use simple or demerara syrup. If your drink is sweet enough to bribe a raccoon, you've gone too far. Bitters, Angostura, a couple dashes, not half the bottle. You're flavoring the drink, not baptizing it. Whiskey, bourbon, or rye. Rye has a spicy kick. Bourbon's smooth and rich. Use good stuff, not that dusty bottle you stole from your uncle's wedding bar in 2011. One big cube. You want chill, not dilution. Crushed ice in an old-fashioned. That's jail time. Orange peel, optional, but really not. Express the oils. Flame it if you're feeling dramatic, but do not throw in a whole slice. This isn't fruit punch, Karen. How to make it? Like a pro, step by step. Sugar cube in a rocks glass. 2 dashes, Angostura bitters. Splash of water. Muddle, gently. It's sugar, not your ex's dignity. Don't crush it. Add a big ice cube, or as I call it, bartender flex ice. Add your whiskey, 2 ounces. Pour with pride. Bonus points for a bottle with a cork that pops. Stir for 20 seconds, just enough to chill and dilute slightly. Stir like you're casually texting your crush. Smooth, steady, confident. Express orange peel over the glass, hit the rim, drop it in, and boom. Here are some bartender blunders to avoid mistake 1. Overcomplicating it. I've seen old fashions with cherries, orange wedges, club soda, and what looked like a gummy worm. Stop it. This isn't a jungle juice remix. Mistake 2. Cheap ingredients. If you use $8 whiskey and call it rustic, I will come for you. Mistake 3. Not stirring properly. This isn't a shake and bake. Stir like a human, not like a blender. All right, bar legends. If you've made it this far, congrats. You now officially know how to make one of the most respected cocktails on the planet. Go forth, stir with confidence, and judge anyone who serves it with a maraschino cherry. Let me know in the comments how you make your old-fashioned, traditional spicy rye, or with a weird twist that somehow works. Looking at you, smoky mezcal fans. Like the video if you laughed, learned, or just realized you've been doing it wrong this whole time. Hit subscribe for more cocktail history, bartender hacks, and drinks that actually make sense. Until next time, keep your pours strong, your ice clear, and your garnishes unapologetically classy. Cheers.